English pronunciation. Today I'm going to tell you 3 mispronounced words in English. In our culture, there's so many words that we pronounce according to our first language, and it has a lot of interferences. Number 1, the word is comfortable. Here, yeah, C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E. It's comfortable. You listen a lot of people who call it, who simply say comfortable. So I would say it is not comfortable, it's comfortable. Comfortable. She sits on a comfortable chair. It's not comfortable chair, it's comfortable. Number 2, the word is vegetable. I love them. Yes, remember, this word does not sound like vegetable. It's not vegetable, it's vegetable. Vegetable. It is vegetables are very good for health. I really love them. Similarly, the other word is, you commonly listen to this word, especially girls, eyebrows. It's not eyebrows, it's eyebrows. Here, she has very fine eyebrows. Lovely, I love her eyebrows. She has a very beautiful set of eyebrows. Okay, thank you so much. That's it for today.